In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk sign in Adobe Sign. The phrase bulk sign can be a little confusing in Adobe Acrobat Sign because there isn't a feature that lets you sign many documents with a single click. Instead, there are two common workflows people mean. The first is sending one document to many people so each person signs their own copy. The second is when you personally need to sign several agreements, one after another. I'll walk you through both so you can choose the right approach for your situation. If your goal is to send the same document to a large group for their signatures, you'll use Send in Bulk, which used to be called Mega Sign. Start by opening Adobe Acrobat Sign. Click the e-sign area, then select Send in Bulk. Upload the document you want everyone to sign. In the recipient field, enter multiple email addresses, separated by commas. This creates individual, trackable copies for each person. Next, click Preview and add fields to make sure the document has a signature field in the right place. If it doesn't, add the signature field so recipients know exactly where to sign. When everything looks correct, click Send. Each person receives their own copy, and you can monitor in real time who has signed and who is still pending. This approach is perfect for things like employee policy acknowledgments, NDAs, registration forms, or sending standardized contracts to many clients at once. A quick tip: before sending, double-check your recipient list and field placement to reduce back and forth later. If instead you need to sign multiple documents yourself, you'll handle them one at a time. Log in to Adobe Sign, then go to the Manage section. Open the Waiting for You area to see agreements that require your signature. Click a document to open it, choose View and Sign, complete your signature, and then move on to the next document in the list. This keeps your audit trail clean for each agreement and ensures you review each document before signing. While it might feel slower than a one-click solution, it's designed this way for legal and compliance reasons. Adobe Sign does not allow simultaneous signing of multiple agreements with a single action, so taking them one by one is the proper, supported workflow. To recap, use Send in Bulk when many people need to sign the same document, and use the Manage tab when you personally need to sign multiple agreements. Follow these steps, and you'll stay organized, compliant, and efficient in Adobe Acrobat Sign.